What's up, everyone? I am back after a little hiatus. I took a little bit of a break off, and you should see a lot more videos coming your way in the future. So first off, I am creating a course. It's going to be called the VR Creator Pro, and if you're interested in getting a course that's going to go from beginner all the way to being able to release a Steam multiplayer game or something on the Meta Store, then you can sign up with your email down in the description. There's a link to vrcreatorpro.com, and I will send you emails about the course development, and you can give me feedback about what you think should be in it, and other stuff like that. If you want to get a little more in detail, there's a different channels on the Discord. We can chat about it there. But I'm planning on releasing that somewhere before Christmas, so you guys should see it relatively soon in the next 4 or 5 months, hopefully. But not to fear, if you're not interested in the course at all, I am still going to be releasing tutorials. They're going to be maybe a little more focused, so like how to do this particular feature that was in this particular game or something like that. The course is going to be helpful because I'm not going to have to rehash all of the setup and everything. It's going to be broken down into a lot smaller little videos that I can kind of go on and assume you watch that or know how to do it, and then go into a little more advanced stuff. Whereas the YouTube videos, they're usually about 30 minutes long, covering only one topic, but I have to rehash everything, so that's why that's the kind of separation between that. So not to fear, I'm still going to be doing tutorials, but also I'm getting a little bored of tutorials. So what do you guys want to see? Do you want to see me reviewing different games? Is that going to be interesting to you? For VR games that are really popular, do you want me to review those, or do you want me to review your games? Maybe you can give me an alpha or beta access to whatever game you're working on, and I can kind of review it, give you a little feedback about what I would change, what I like, that kind of thing. Let me know, or even just general playthroughs. I can do live streams and playthrough. I know you guys really enjoyed the live streams, so let me know down in the comments what you want to see in the future for this channel. And then I know you guys have all been waiting for this. We are hosting a game jam. I am getting a couple other VR content creators together, and so I will make an official announcement in the future, but sometime next month in July, we are going to be hosting another big VR game jam. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next video.